Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about bond and the bond amount in various top companies. So what is the bond period and bond amount? So it basically think in a layman term that if you want to leave a company before a certain agreement, the agreement says that you can't leave a company before this time period. If you leave this company, you have to pay certain amount. So this is basically the meaning of the agreement which is mentioned in your offer letter at the time of signing the letter and before joining the company. So let's discuss about one by one about the companies, its bond period and the amount. In case you want to leave that company, what is the amount you have to pay for it? So number one is Accenture. So there is no such bond amount and the bond period right now in Accenture for freshers, especially for the ASE and FSE profiles which you apply for. So there is no such bond and the bond amount. Next is Cognizant. So in Cognizant also you don't have any bond period, and again you don't have to pay any amount, but at the same time you have to serve notice period as well. Otherwise you will be obviously absconded from that particular company if you don't serve notice period, and yes, your experience would also not count for the next companies in future. So next is TCS. So in TCS the bond period is agreement is approximately of 12 months, which is 1 year, and yes, the amount is 50,000 rupees if you want to leave that company before the bond period. So now here one more thing I would like to add, that there are certain other charges as well, like for example you have earned some incentive or some joining bonus, etc. So that you also have to pay back because you are leaving that company before the certain period. So this will obviously mention in your offer letter or agreement. You can go through it in details, or you can just go reach out to the HR. The HR would definitely let you know in details. Next is Wipro. So in Wipro, the bond period is 12 months or more, depending upon the kind of profile you are into, and the amount would be approximately 75,000 in Wipro if you want to leave that company before the bond period. Next is Infosys. In Infosys, 1 year is the bond period. If you want to leave that company before 1 year, you have to pay approximately 75,000, and accordingly that totally depends actually, like daily wise, day basis, also pro rata basis, which you can say depends the amount. I mean, if you leave the company like between after 6 months or before 6 months, that depends upon the company to company. So last but not the least is Tech Mahindra, and the bond period is approximately 2 years, and the amount would be 1 lakh if you want to leave before 2 years. So guys, I wanted to share this information because a lot of people asked me what is the bond period, and you have to search separately. So I have combined all together and shared the information with you. But yes, at the same time, don't forget that you have to serve notice period as well in the companies, because otherwise your experience won't count, and otherwise you would be absconded as well. So do serve your notice periods to be in a safer side for your rest of the future. So till then guys, don't forget to share the this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Have a great day, be safe, take care, bye.